To
This
change
team
roles or adjust
has
options, use the tiles on
Joe
the
Mixon,
left.
probably going to keep him around. What's his name? Joe Burrow, going to keep him around as well. Using a custom coach.
Start the regular season by selecting your
but
season goal.
Yeah, let's take a look at the roster before we start off. Let's see, is anyone old? Geno Atkins, we can probably try to get out. Same as AJ Green. Well, let's see. So let's try to get AJ Green up first. Probably hoping to get a first-round pick out of him. Probably not that worth that much anymore, though. Still has a big contract. Broncos, let's see, first-round pick 3. Would they be willing to do this? No. Okay. The Bears also wanted them. What's their first-round pick? 2. Are they willing to do this? They put them under the salary cap. Buccaneers, do they really need them though? Draft, I think I'm hoping to get something a bit lower than that. Chargers, draft picks 4. Would they be willing to take this? Colts, they probably usually get rid of 25, but I want something like looking something in the early teens. Dolphins, pick 8. Now we'll go up to 12. 12. You think 12 will work? No. Okay. Eagles. Pretty sure they don't have 20. I'd be willing to take this. Oh boy. Falcons. I'm not sure what I need it, but yeah. Pick 16. Are they willing to do this? Probably gonna go after the. Probably gonna keep him around if 28. Jets probably not gonna get this, but yeah, no, I didn't think I was gonna get that. Lions, we can probably get this one done. 7. They need a right tackle, so do we. They need a defensive tackle. Mike Daniels, can we ship him out for? They want him. Let's try to get a first, and I'm thinking maybe like a 5th as well for AJ Green and Mike Daniels. Trying to make this hard on me. Okay, they also need a right guard. So do we have anyone that's like bad? Fred Johnson. Is that good? Let's take that. Well, no. Okay. So what else do they need? We need a right guard anyways. So need a middle linebacker as well. They need a middle linebacker. We'll take Marcus Bailey. He's pretty young. They do not. Oh, okay. Left outside linebacker. Don't have anything there, but we might. Do we? Oh, 3rd. 4th. I'm just trying to pick up draft picks for the future. I don't think we're gonna. Packers want AJ Green. 31, not gonna take that. 31's Panthers. 9, maybe. No. Patriots. 17. That's wouldn't be a bad pick if we could just straight up. Yeah, I think that this is what we're going to be going after. Can we ship out this 4th? Okay. So picking up pick 17 here. AJ Green, 19. No, not yet. $19.1 million contract. 33. Just gonna regress. Picking up a first-round pick. Now, let's see. So now Tyler Boyd's our #1 receiver. Not gonna hang with that. He's not bad. We got John Ross. T. Higgins, I'm gonna move up to #3. Put him in the slot. Joe Burrow there is good. Giovanni Bernard. Yeah. Alright, our offensive line definitely needs help. Tight end needs help. This team needs a lot. Defensively, right outside linebacker, but I think I might move Wilson. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move Pratt, the outside linebacker. It will be like his overall will go up. Right outside linebacker. He's already a 70. I was thinking of moving Logan Wilson, but Pratt's. Yeah, he's a 73 now. What else do we need? Cornerbacks. How old's William Jackson? He's 27, so that's okay.
When I pass, come through stunning. Call me tired, girl, it hit the hole, then I ran it. Get money, you ain't trying to get that second flag on the play. Hating from the sideline, a flag on the play. Like Julio with them Falcons, I just made a play. In the red zone, going strong, watch me shaking.
So I'm probably gonna need to get a middle linebacker. Let's see what the I want to see what's on the trade block. Improved team. Okay. Let's see what's available here. Joe Burrow, don't need anything here.
You have great browse available players to improve your team.
Looking for offensive line, 67. Yeah. Here. Doesn't look like. Okay. He's 28. I say we see what we can get for him. We need a right tackle. On him? Don't just go through that. Okay. Didn't think so. Need a tight end. I don't want Drew Sample or Clark. Will this go through? Need a defensive tackle. Christian. Okay, so get a big boost at right guard. Picking up John. I'm not gonna try that last name. But so he's anyone at right tackle. What's waiting for? No. Middle linebacker. Blake Cashman, I'm going after him. I really like how Cashman plays. They need a right tackle. No one wants Prince. Be a quarterback. No. Left outside linebacker. No. Right outside linebacker. Team Davis or Jordan Evans. I don't want any of these. No. Just go through. You know, just trying to upgrade this team as much as I can. Left tackle. No. It might just have to be draft picks. Thinking of fourth. We don't have a fourth. Fifth or sixth. Okay, fifth and a sixth for Blake Cashman. That's bad on the Jets' part. Blake Cashman, 24 years old, 71 overall. I will take him as my middle linebacker too. Oh yeah, and another rule for this: when we get into free agency, there will be you can only get position players or positions if they're C+ or higher, just so like I'm not going out and signing. Like with like a B+, I'm not going out and signing Alvin Kamara because we have Joe Mixon. Cut a player, Ryan Finley maybe?
Easily see how. Here are some recommendations to get you started.
Well, who's making money? No, let's just try to find someone that we can move to the practice squad. Let's move you to the practice squad. Okay, upgrade. Auto upgrade. Sim to midseason. Beat the Chargers week 1. We are a 77 overall. Obviously, we're not going to win the AFC North, but he, might be up there.
When you come up on that lick, make sure you cut him in. And then, sometimes you need a
I might trade for Lamont Galliard, but like, he's only 2 overall higher. He's a year younger. So maybe later in the season if he progresses well. Let's advance to mid-season. Let's see how well we are doing. Game's important. I might hop in and play the moments. But like if it's not an important game, like if we're doing bad, then I might. Alright, lost to the Titans week 8. We are 5-3. Okay, we're doing better than the Ravens and Steelers. Can't trade anymore. Tyler Boyd got injured mid-season.
Your players, there is a high chance of re-injury if you play.
Yeah, start back up. He's going to be back next week. We're on a bye week.
Start your week by installing your game
Alright,
plan.
let's go to Scout. We're going to be doing actual draft classes.
Here's a list of all the players that will appear in the upcoming draft. Select to scout this player and unlock his bet. Each skill unlock will cost you scouting points. Unlock this player's true skill ranking to see if he is a diamond. You just found a diamond in the rough.
Need a left guard. No one's here, but I mean this is a real draft class. There's someone like Marcus Young. Good value. That's really it. Left guard, center as well. Connor Brown. Okay. A lot of good centers here. Or early, high, like on the board. Right tackle. AJ Silver. Are any of these guys early second? If they're early second, I might slap them on the board. You're a mid. I don't know how that's a check. Alright, that's gonna be it for scouting this week. Negotiations.
These players are on the last
William
year
Jackson.
of their contract.
Gonna get back. We have money to spend. 3 deal works. Up the money. Okay, William Jackson's back. Gonna get Carl Lawson back. 5-year deal. 6.5 with a 3.75 signing bonus. And Carl Lawson's back. Gonna see how much Mike Daniels regresses. Kenzie Alexander you can have back. Kenzie Alexander is back. Josh Bynes again, gonna see how much we regress. John Ross want back. Wide receiver 2 on the team's only 24. Let's try to get him for a 6-year deal. Up the money a lot. I want to get him until he's 30, and I don't really want to spend money on him that much. I want to spend low money on what I can now, just so I don't have to pay him a lot when he's older. And he is back. And I think that is it. Yeah. No one else really to sign. Again, some people are just going to see how much they regress. Okay. Hold on. Let me just go to my settings. Turn on some upgrading stuff. Oh, okay. I want to put this play down to big advance. Relocation settings. Anyone can relocate like up on. And start it off. Turn it to all Madden just in case you want to play. But yeah, that's really it. We can sim the playoffs. Not gonna worry about any of that. But yeah, let's see if we can make the playoffs. Okay. We're gonna be probably playing, or not playing, like maybe hopping in later if we are like the playoffs and we make the wild card versus the 10-6 Indianapolis Colts. The Browns finishing 14-2. I feel like the Browns are always good in Madden 21 simulations. Obviously, when let's see how good the AFC was. Patriots 11-5, Dolphins 10. Wow, hold on. Look at this division, and it just drops off with the Jets. But yeah, AFC lowest team for the playoffs was the Ravens at 9-7. So that's a division team. NFC lowest team to make the playoffs was 8-8. Okay. Pretty sure we beat the Ravens week 17, which we did. Let's take a look at the stats. Joe Burrow, what a rookie season. He is a superstar. 4,160 passing yards, 29 touchdowns, 9 receptions. Hopefully we can get those touchdowns up. But other than that, he's looking really good. Rushing the ball. Joe Mixon, 1,121, 6 touchdowns, average 70.1 per game, 4.9 per carry. Receiving the ball, Tyler Boyd, 1,000 yards, 7 touchdowns. John Ross, 865 touchdowns. Uzoma, 768, 5 touchdowns. Erickson, 6 touchdowns. And T. Higgins, I wish he played more. But, put him in the slot. Didn't get that much. 34 catches, 395, 4 touchdowns. Defensively, 128 tackles for Logan Wilson, the rookie. Most TFLs goes to Geno Atkins with 14, no surprise there. Oh, Lawson with 10 sacks, I just noticed there. That led the team. Interceptions leader on our team goes to Logan Wilson with 2, Von Bell with 2, William Jackson with 2, and Darius Phillips with 2. Forced fumbles. Did we force any? We forced 1 fumble by Mackenzie Alexander, which I don't think we recovered. Not. Any block kicks? No, just for the fun of it. 1 from Andrew Brown. Any safeties? Nope. Touchdowns? We had multiple. 2 touchdowns. 1 from Jesse Bates and 1 from William Jackson. Okay, let's take a look at the awards now. MVP goes to Aaron Rodgers. No. Bengals. Coach of the Year goes to Kevin Stefanski. Okay, no. Bengals. AFC Offensive Player of the Year goes to Phillip Rivers. Joe Burrow at 5. Defensive Player of the Year, Avery Williamson. Kyle Duggar at 2. Logan Wilson at 5. Offensive Rookie of the Year goes to Joe Burrow. T. Higgins at 9. Defensive Rookie of the Year goes to Kyle Duggar. Logan Wilson at 2. Best QB goes to Phillip Rivers. Joe Burrow at 7. Best running back goes to Nick Chubb. Joe Mixon at 5. Best wide receiver, Cole Beasley. Tyler Boyd at 8. Best O-line, Quentin Nelson. There. Best D-line, like you always see that. No Bengals. Best linebacker, Von Miller. Really. Anything else? Logan Wilson at 8. Best DB goes to Kenny Moore. No Bengals. Best kicker, Brendan McManus. I feel like your kicker, the user's kicker, is always last. Like 10. Like I feel like it's always last unless like you only kick field goals. Okay, 6th best offense, 12th best defense. 6th in points scored, while we were 11th in points allowed. Alright, wildcard game. Let's play the moments. If it's close, I will hop in. If it's blowout, then I will not hop in and just sim to the rest of the game. Alright, after this, that will do it for this part of the episode. Next episode will be coming maybe right after this. If I'm feeling well, I will do that. Let's go to options. Let's jump forward. End of the game. Go down by 7. Oh, Joe Mixon with the rushing touchdown. We go up by 7, but the Colts answer right back. And we answer with another touchdown, 21-14. We answer 28-14, 31-14. I don't think I'm going to be hopping in here, as it becomes 34-1. Yes, I don't think I'm going to be hopping in. Okay, that is a big 42-21 win. Let's take a look at the stats here. Joe Burrow, 17-28, 197, 2 touchdowns, 1 pick, 60% completion percentage, 90.9 passer rating. Wrecking ball, Giovanni Bernard, 16 for 114, 1 touchdown. Samaje Perine, 2 for 9, 2 touchdowns. We had that long touchdown early in the game, 62 yards for Giovanni Bernard. Receiving the ball, Erickson, 6 for 68 and touchdown. Boyd, 5 for 59. Okay, yeah, CJ, 4 for 53, touchdown. Ross, 2 for 17. Defensively, 10 tackles for Logan Wilson, 1 TFL. Lawson, Reeder, Hubbard, Ream, Atkins, and Alexander. 3 sacks, 1 for Hubbard, Atkins, and Lawson. Interception goes to Von Bell, who also had 2 pass deflections. 2 pass deflections go to him. Phillips and Alexander. Hubbard with 1. Forced fumbles, didn't force any. Did not block a kick or a punt, did not get a safety, and did not get a touchdown. Alright, so that's going to do it for part 1 of the Bengals Rebuild. Tune in tomorrow for a completely new thing on the Slammin Sluggers TV channel. And I will see you guys then.